Okay? Hello and good day everyone, no? Okay? So today we will discuss naman about the square of a binomial. Okay? The square of a binomial x plus y squared is equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared, and x minus y squared equal to x squared minus 2xy plus y squared are called the perfect square trinomial. Okay? So ito, kapag kasi simplify natin to, it turns out to be like this. Okay? And this one also, pag sinimplify natin or kinuha natin yung product nito or in-square natin itong binomial, no? Yung product niya ito. Ang difference nito kasi dito second term minus, dito naman plus. Now, ang tawag dito sa mga product na to ay yung perfect square trinomial. Okay? So from squaring of binomial, okay, magiging perfect square trinomial siya. Now, pag sinabing perfect square trinomial, it is a trinomial whose first and last term are perfect square and the second term is twice the product of the first and last terms. Okay? Ito yung perfect square trinomial. Type of a trinomial niya siya kung saan yung first term natin tsaka yung last term are perfect square while yung second term is the twice the product of the first and the last term. Now, example here, we have x plus 3 squared. Okay, what should we do first here? I-square muna natin yung first term. Ito, yung first term natin, we have x raised to 2. And then for the second term, no, i-multiply natin itong 2x at saka 3. No? 2 times x times 3. And then for last term, we have 3 squared. I-square natin yung 3. Then simplify. X raised to 2 is x squared. Then 2 times 3 times 2 times x times 3 is 6x. Then 3 squared is 9. So ito yung magiging product niya. X squared plus 6x plus 9. Okay? Next, we have 3c plus d squared. Okay? So here again, no, ganun pa rin yung process natin. Yung first term natin, i-square natin, and then get the product of 2, 3c, and d. So you have 2 times 3c times d, and then get the square of the last term, which is d. And then 3c squared is equal to 3c times 3c. That would be equal to 9c squared plus 2 times 3 times, plus 2 times 3c times d is 6cd, and then d raised to 2 is d squared. Okay? Then number 3, 2a minus 5b squared. Okay? Now, i-square natin first term. We have 2a raised to 2. Okay? Minus 2 times 2a times 5b. Okay? Plus 5b raised to 2. Now, 2a squared is equal to 2a times 2a is 4a squared. Then 2 times 2a times 5b is equal to negative 20ab. And then 5b raised to 2 is equal to 5 times, and 5b times 5b is equal to 25b squared. Okay? So ito yung magiging product niya. Okay? Now, how about this one? We have 4x minus 3y squared raised to 2. Again, ganun pa rin, no? I-square muna natin first term. We have 4x raised to 2. And minus, kasi minus 2 eh. 2 times 4x times 3y squared plus 3y squared raised to 2 ulit. Now, 4x raised to 2 is equal to 4x times 4x, that is 16x squared. Negative 2 times 4x times 3y squared is negative 24xy squared. Multiplication of monomials to, ha, i-apply dito. And then 3y raised to 2, 3y squared raised to 2, or 3y squared times 3y squared is 9y raised to 4. So applicable dito yung laws of exponent natin. Okay? So ito yung magiging product niya. Now, let us have an exercise. Find the product of x plus 4 raised to 2. Again, i-square natin first term and then multiply, plus tayo ha, kasi plus to, yung next natin. Multiply natin yung 2 times 4 times x. Then i-square naman natin yung first term. Then x squared plus 2 times 4 is 8 times x is 8x. 4 squared is 16. Then the product here is x squared plus 8x plus 16. Next, 3x minus 9 squared. Okay, i-square natin first term. We have 3x raised to 2 minus 2 times 9 times 3x. Then we have negative 9 squared. No? 3x squared is 3x raised to 2 is equal to 3x times 3x. That is 9x squared. Minus, kasi minus to, 2 times 9 is 18 times 3. We have 54 times x. If we have 54x here, the negative 9 squared is 81. Then, the product here is 9x squared minus 54x plus 81. Next, 3x plus 2y raised to 2. Square natin yung first term, then multiply 2 times 2y times 3x, no? Then 2y squared naman. 3x squared is 9x squared. 2 times 3x times 2y is 12xy. 2y raised to 2 is 4y squared. So ito yung magiging product niya. Okay? So madali lang to kapag kakabisado nyo yung laws of exponent. Now, if you find it difficult to solve, to multiply, no, go back doon sa laws of exponents natin. Baka ma-recall naman kayo kung paano natin i-apply yung mga exponent. Just like here, no, 3x times 3x ang ibig sabihin niya because 3x raised to 2 yan. Kaya hindi nyo pwedeng isagot yung 3x squared kaagad. 3x times 3x yan, kaya naging 9x squared to. The same goes dito, 2y, no, squared, I mean 2y raised to 2 or 2y times 2y, that is 4y squared. Okay? Okay, so that's it, no? So thank you for listening, and again, don't forget to answer your exercises. Okay? That's all. Goodbye and God bless.